Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the new battery intelligence feature coming with iOS 19 and how you can use it right now, even on iOS 18. So, what exactly is this feature? Apple leaks suggest this AI-powered update will tell you how long your iPhone will take to fully charge, whether it's a few minutes or a couple of hours. Now here's the cool part. You don't have to wait for iOS 19 to try it. Let me show you how to enable it using a shortcut. First, check the link in the description. Tap on it and you'll see a shortcut called Battery Intelligence. Just add this shortcut to your Shortcuts app. Once it's added, open the app and tap on Automation. Now tap the plus icon, choose Charger, and make sure to select Is Connected. Then enable the option Run Immediately and turn off notifications. Tap Next, then tap Run Shortcut and choose the Battery Intelligence shortcut you just added. Now, when you plug in your phone to charge, the shortcut will automatically run and tell you exactly how long your iPhone will take to fully charge. For example, about 24 minutes to full charge. Pretty cool, right? This feature is part of Apple's upcoming AI-powered battery optimization that gives you smarter insights and better control over your device's charging. So if you're excited about iOS 19, this is a great way to try one of its best features right now. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.